not stopping at the scene of the Cat D6 crushing the mobile home in the previous video. Now the new journey begins where the livestock transporters and giant excavators create a breathtaking mechanical symphony. Witness the ultimate mechanical power, the giant crane lifting the Lipohair 984 turntable. Each rumbling movement, pulling the multi-ton turntable out of position as if tearing the steel structure apart, a spectacular replacement of power and precision. Leave the number 1 if you are ready to accompany the end of this journey. Next, Sheer CI 13,000 roared like a steel beast. Its giant claws tightened and tore the old truck into pieces. The sound of metal screeching, twisting. Everything was crushed in an instant. The mechanical power was truly terrifying. An abandoned silo stood alone in the dust, shaking violently under the power of the chisel. The steel chisel pounded repeatedly, breaking apart pieces of concrete. The roar of the engine echoed like a fury of molten steel. What a mess. 2 excavators roared, working together to attack the Brandon grain elevator. Concrete shattered, metal twisted, and flew everywhere under the crushing force of the powerful and merciless mechanical arms.
Oh my god, I can't believe that thing's still standing. There she goes!
Following the breathtaking scene, the building was demolished bit by bit under the steel claws of the bird machine. The giant machine roared. The hydraulic arm tore the concrete like paper. Each wall collapsed with the resounding engine noise. You will witness specialized sheep transport vehicles with powerful engines overcoming all rough terrain. With sturdy and durable frames, they protect hundreds of sheep, accompanying them persistently on all harsh journeys. Nothing can stop the Cat 657 from eating mountains. The engine roars, the steel tracks crush rocks and soil. Each powerful stroke cuts through mountains and hills. The machine is like a steel monster that never stops conquering all-terrain challenges. If you are ready to accompany me to the end of the journey, leave your number 1 in the comments section. I am waiting for friends who are truly passionate about mechanics. Terrible power. The 2002 Caterpillar D8R, with a closed cabin like a steel fortress. The engine roars furiously, unleashing its brute force. The thick steel blade crushes all obstacles, tearing up rocks and soil with each thrust like an invincible monster on the construction battlefield. Stopping there. The giant Maz 537 roared with power. The diesel engine erupted with durable power. The huge wheels crushed all terrain, dragging tons of goods like an invincible steel monster on all rugged roads. Unstoppable, the JD650J charged into the forest like a steel beast. The engine roared. The dozer blade lowered, breaking large tree trunks. Leaves flew everywhere, the ground shook with each thrust. The killdozer John Deere 650J cleared the way with unstoppable power. If you love these machines, don't hesitate to share your feelings by leaving a comment number 1. In video number 3, you witnessed the power of the mighty crane. In this video, the AWR CAT390FLME demolition machine roars fiercely, crushing the most solid structures of the building with its overwhelming power. Leave number 1 in the comments section if you love this journey and are ready to join the exciting experiences ahead. Defying all odds, the mighty Maz 537 tractor carrying the Bat 2 road paver is stuck in the middle of the street. The diesel engine roars. The big wheels spin strongly, determined to overcome the obstacle in the chaos of strength and steel will. Oh no. The 44,000-pound truck roared helplessly as the massive machine squeezed and tore apart the steel. The screech of metal echoed, the sheer crushing power present in every unforgiving movement. P and H9020 stopped. The 83mm double Haggy Ride zipper was slowly removed. The hands of professional technicians coordinated smoothly. Each detail was replaced precisely like a major technical surgery. The engine roared, ready to unleash new power, conquering all challenges ahead. Back with relentless power, the mighty Caterpillar 24H motor grader transports and unloads oversized machinery and large-sized heavy equipment. The engine roars like thunder. The steel tracks grip the ground, moving powerfully, conquering every heavy challenge on the vast construction site. A perfect choice for the powerful Ural 43206 6x6 truck that can overcome any muddy terrain. The durable engine roars, the large wheels crush the mud, and carry heavy logging cargo firmly and powerfully on any rugged road. Have you ever witnessed the power of the Caterpillar 631D scraper? The engine roars fiercely, operating durably. The sharp steel scraper blade plows deep into the ground, pushing back all obstacles. The giant machine is like a steel warrior conquering all difficult terrain. Hitachi 870-liter cubic centimeter excavator is powerful, with a durable engine for heavy-duty transport. 3 large parts are lifted smoothly. The steel tracks grip the ground firmly, demonstrating absolute strength and precision in every movement on the harsh construction site. Liebherr's superb performance, roaring engine, sturdy tracks, gently moving the excavator into deep excavation holes. Mechanical power combined with absolute precision, demonstrating power and skillful technique on harsh construction sites.